This is so cute, Mommy. You like it?
Yeah.
It says, "Dear Lord, protect my grandchild always." I'm gonna cry.
To open this box here.
You know you can't go wrong with me and shoes. Once is a shoes, you say hi, babes.
Hi, James.
Good morning. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It is December 22, and this is our Christmas morning. We are opening our gifts today because we are leaving in a few hours to join the family in another city. So, Tyler is super excited. He's so ready to open his gifts, and I'm not even excited about what I am gonna get. I'm just excited for Tyler to just rip up all these papers and see what he got. So here we're showing you guys us opening our gifts early.
You want to open them?
You want to open them?
Yeah.
We have to wait on Papa. Papa coming. So we're just waiting on Babe to come. Then we're gonna start opening our gifts. Hopefully you guys have an amazing Christmas. Whether you guys see this before Christmas or after Christmas, hopefully it will be a good one for you guys. Hope you guys had a good time with your family. Hopefully you guys got what you wanted for Christmas, and if you don't get what you wanted, that's okay. Once you get something, and even if you don't get anything, that is still okay. You know, you have life, and that's all that matters. So you guys know how much I love Christmas. I love all the lights and all the festivity and all the giving and all the happiness about Christmas. So it's time to open these gifts, and we are waiting on Babe.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Call Papa.
Papa.
With Tyler.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait. Oh, you know that one is yours. Say hi to the face, honey. Your ass in the camera.
Mama.
Hi guys.
Papa.
Yes, Tyler.
Early
Sit
morning and Tyler excited is jumping.
Come and sit here, honey. Here, so we can all
But
be
I
your
can't be
friends.
there.
That's okay. No, wait. Tyler already started opening his gifts. You want to open this one first?
No.
Wait.
Après.
If that's one you want to open first, let him. Don't make him get sad. Wait, Ty. Wait. Wait. Here, put them right there.
Open it.
You gonna open that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead.
Bisous. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Je
sais pas aussi. Ooh, Tyler, what is it? What is in it?
Mama,
Yeah.
flip it up.
Wait, it's heavy. Oh!
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Flip it up.
Lift it up.
Yeah.
Oh. What is it?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
There's no picture on it.
Oh no, it's stuck.
Oups. Wow, c'est lourd.
I wonder what is inside. There's no picture. Papa gonna have to open it for you. You want to see what is in it? There's no picture of this box, so I don't think you know what is in it. You have an idea, but he doesn't really. Put it up there. Oh, what is it? What is it? What is it? What is it?
I don't know.
What is it? What? Give me my phone same time, please. What is it? What is it? Ty? What is it? What is it? Ty?
Wow. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Attends. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est?
What is it? Ah, wait.
Attends.
Oh,
Allez.
it's a box in a box, so you can tear off this one.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh.
Allez, tire-la. Toi, tu tires celui-là. Voilà.
Ooh.
Allez.
Pull, Ty, pull. Ooh.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
What is it?
Tire.
What is it, Ty?
Allez, tire.
What is it?
It's a kitten.
Yeah. But
I want to open this thing.
turn it around before you open it, please. Open the next one. Put that one to the side, Ty, and open another one. Okay? And then when you open everything, then we can
This
open
is
the box,
heavy.
okay? Alright, give me those paper. Give me all those paper.
This?
Yes. Wait, wait. Take it up and come here. Let me see who it's from. This is for Tyler from Mama and Papa.
See what it's like.
And you're gonna see what it is.
Wow! Whoa.
What is it?
I don't know what it's come from.
What is it?
Store.
Yeah, it's the magnet that you've been wanting.
Yeah.
You happy?
Accept that.
Right, it's just like what Axel and Maxim have. You like it?
Yeah.
Alright, put it over there. Gonna open another one.
Yeah.
Let me see who this one is from. From Mama and Papa. What is in it? Open, open. What is it?
It says Dragon Ball Z.
Dragon Ball Z.
He's
Dragon
acting
Ball
like he can
Z.
read.
Who is that? Dragon Ball Z characters?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. Let me take a little. This one.
Ooh. This one is from Grandma Valerie. Well, both grandma named Valerie, but this one is from my mama.
Let's see what this is.
And Tyler have a lot more gifts to come. It's just that they're gonna reach late. Take off the white tape and you will get access to it.
It's a box.
I don't know what's in it.
Oh, this pig.
Give me the paper.
That's something when you're a parent, you're only excited about the gift that you give to.
Your kid.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let him open it now. Give me the box.
Maybe this.
Yeah. So gift in it for you. Oh, what is it? Ah! Taste it
that?
out. What is that? What is
And look, he is back in
excited.
Yeah.
What are they?
Mama.
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dinosaurs.
Yeah.
Let me
All
take
right, put them over there. Put them over there fast. Because he's going fast. Okay, let me see who this one is from.
It's from Thailand.
I think this one is from Mama and Papa too.
Yeah.
There's nothing written on it.
Let me see.
What is that one?
It's going to be. Let me see.
What is it?
It's a doctor's Play-Doh set.
Yeah, it is a dentist Play-Doh set. He's been wanting this since forever, so he finally got it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yes. And another one. Who is from? To Tyler from Mama and Papa.
Let me see what it says.
Let's see what it says.
Oh, wow! It's dinosaur inside.
Let me see. Wow. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yeah.
6.
No, it's 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Right.
5 dinosaurs.
Okay, one more gift. Whoa, that one is heavy. What is that one? Oh, you don't remember? What is that? It's a chef set. Now you can cook all of your dinner and your hamburgers. You can cook everything you wanted.
I want to open this first.
Okay, we soon open it. You have one more gift to open first, okay? Okay, this last gift is from my mama. It's from Grandma.
It's here.
It's a to Tyler from Grandma V.
Yeah.
Got it.
Go, open it.
What is that?
We all don't know what is in it, and she didn't want me to open it. And open it. Come up here. Come here. Here. Oh Lord, I can't see
Tyler.
what he's doing.
What?
What is that?
It's a book.
What kind of book?
This dinosaur.
It's a dinosaur book. Open it. Let me see it. Whoa! He's gonna teach you about every dinosaur.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what else is in it. What else is in the box? What else is in the box, Ty?
Tyler, regarde.
What is that? Wow! What else is in the box? Oh my gosh, what is this? Honey, open this up. There's a surprise on it.
It's the baby. It's when
Look.
he go to sleep.
No, look. Open it.
Wow.
Open it, Ty. Who is that?
Baby Tyler.
Oh my gosh. Ty. Look at this. I'm gonna cry. Oh, look at this.
Mama,
Yeah.
it's
Tyler, this one you're the only one who have it.
Oh, Ty. This is so cute, mommy. You like it?
Yeah.
It says, "Dear Lord, protect my grandchild always." I'm gonna cry.
Mama, to open this box here.
C'est qui ça? Mais pourquoi Tyler il est grand et il a encore le pastis dans la bouche?
You can go open it.
Mwah.
This just made me so emotional.
Oh no! It's not working! Use the scissors!
Give me the camera, honey, please.
Tyler?
Tyler, go for the camera for Mama, please. Put him over there, let him open it. So we can open our leaves. Give it to Mama. Thank you. You guys, look what got me emotional. My mom made this custom made blanket for Ty. It have pictures from his first birthday, his second birthday, his third birthday, and pictures all along the year, and pictures when he was born with Babe on it.
Look! I'm not
He's
a
so
baby here. I'm a big boy here.
Yes, you're a big boy here, but look, you're a baby here.
And here
This is the best gift ever.
This
I'm a
is
hot mess. Look, that's when I was pregnant with Ty. Oh my god. Look, that's his second birthday here. That when he was a baby. Oh, I don't even remember this picture. Oh, my mom have every picture there is. Look at this one. And this one. Look at this one. Oh, look at this one here, honey.
This one is very recent.
Yeah.
This one
I think this one is the most recent one.
is last month.
What?
Oh my god, when you had long hair.
Mama!
Yeah.
What?
Oh, you got your dentist set.
Yeah.
I'm such a hot mess. Oh my god. This is the best gift. Thanks, Mom. I know you'll be watching this and laughing at me. Oh my god. This is just the best gift ever. I'm just a hot mess right now. Anyway, you guys, it's time for me and Babe to open our gift. Ready?
Mama.
Yes, Bella.
A big box.
You're already working on me? It used to be like this so you can see my teeth.
A shoes box. It's a shoes box.
Babe opening this gift. If it don't fit, you can carry it back. You have 1 month.
Ah, one month is short with me.
You're so right. You need 1 year. Yeah. You have your teeth over there. Work on the teeth. See the teeth there. Open it.
Wow.
Papa say, wow.
That's a nice shoes.
You've been wanting a new white.
For
So
the
there
3.5, that should be very fine.
Mama.
Hopefully. Yes, Ty.
See?
I know when you're driving, you like comfy shoes.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's only when I drive.
And this.
Well, there you go.
Open
You like
that.
it?
Open that.
You like it?
I
Papa.
love it. That's why I
Papa,
buy
open
it.
that.
Help Papa
Okay.
open it. Babe, gift number 2. This, you have 1 month to adjust it or change it or whatever you want.
What is this box?
Listen, it's the hardest to find gift for this man. The hardest.
Mama.
Yes, that's a teeth.
That's a tit. That's a gold tit.
Mama.
Yes, Stella.
It's open.
Now you have something to match your bracelet.
Mama.
No, you have no reason not to be in your jewelry, mister.
Open it.
Mm.
Give me the other part. There goes your teeth. Ooh, and here goes your brush for the teeth. Yeah. And some more teeth here. Wow.
How you
look
say
at
that I
it.
need to change it?
You like it?
Yeah.
And now it matches your bracelet too. It's the same link.
Chisouille.
C'est joli,
Oh, tell us it's pretty.
mais attention, d'accord?
Mama soon buy you some jewelry, okay?
Mama.
Yes, Ty.
Well, because we are into the shows, so I'm gonna give you.
And typical babe, they're not wrapped. Typical babe, they ain't wrapped, okay? But that's okay. Here, go.
One shoes.
One shoes. You know you can't go wrong with me and shoes. One is a shoes. You.
I can't go wrong into shoes.
You're a
What
piece
is
of
it?
shit. There's no shoes in the box. But, baby, you told me it didn't come.
Well, I lied.
My book. This is, honestly, this is the only thing I wanted for Christmas.
And this is the first time I get her a book, because my
Apart from
wife and the book, I don't know, yeah, except cookbook, and even cookbook, she never opened the book.
But I want this book, and I got it, and I'm a happy camper. Thank you, honey. Yes. Thank you.
Mama.
Yes, Stella.
It's a good language inside.
Mama.
Yes, it's English.
You
Thank
catch
you.
me.
This is all I wanted for Christmas.
Okay, so it's
Yeah.
done for today.
That's it? No problem. I'm fine with this.
Well, I have to trade, so
You're a piece of shit. So you put the shoes in the bag? Baby, you tricked me again. Oh, you tricked me again. You guys, let me give you a story. I went in a store and I saw this. And I said, babe, I take a picture and I said, honey, I want these shoes. And baby go to the store and he called me and he got me so mad because he said they don't have my size. And I'm like, honey, but you called me to let me know that you're at the store, maybe you're gonna buy the shoes. He said, they don't have your size. I'm like, alright, just get another color. So I was expecting a shoes but in a different color. But he got the color that I wanted. Thank you, babe. You're a trickster. You're a trickster. Yes. Oh, you're a trickster. A good one. Thank you. You're a trickster. What is this?
all little things that I find.
For me?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. You guys, let me tell you why I'm laughing. I do not own a purse. Don't ask me why I don't own a purse. Ever since Tyler was born, I ditched my purse and I don't know where it is. And I love a big purse. And I saw this and I sent babe a picture one day and said, honey, this is a good Christmas gift. This one and the shoes. And I got it. Thank you, honey.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you, thank you, thank you. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Thank you. Anyway, you guys, there goes the end of our video for our Christmas gifts, and everybody is happy. Hopefully you guys got what you wanted for Christmas. Love you guys, and we are about to start another vlog, which is in the same day, but opening our gifts is gonna be one vlog. So we'll catch you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye guys.